Hey guys, so today I got this in the mail. This is actually a replacement card of the Blue Cash Preferred card by Amex. This is the updated card design as of May 2019. They did a little refresh in the categories of the 6%. Not only covers groceries now, but also streaming services and some other things. But I'll make a full separate video with an updated review of the Blue Cash Preferred card coming up probably in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But anyways, this video is only to unbox and do a quick comparison to the previous design, which was very similar to the Blue Cash Everyday card, except it has just the preferred on the side. So let's just go ahead and rip the envelope open. For those of you who don't know, right now what I'm showing you on screen is how you can replace your existing Blue Cash Preferred card via the app. It's a very simple process if you just want to get the updated design, and plus with this updated design, if you didn't already have it, it comes with the contactless payments ability. So let's go ahead and just get this envelope open without further ado. So it doesn't come with all the paperwork as what you would get if you just first got the card, but there is a little bit of an update. You can see here's the little brochure here, and there's a quick overview of the updated categories. See, the 6% is still capped up at $6,000 for US supermarkets, and then 1% in US streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, and then you get 3% back at gas station and also transportation, including rideshare programs like Lyft and Uber. And you can see there's the tap to go contactless method, so you can just use your card, tap it on a wireless reader, and the other stuff has already been introduced previously, so that's pretty much it for that. Alright, so with a brief break, I took the liberty of covering up my information before I show you the paper that has the card sticking on the other side. So just like it would in my unboxing video of the original Blue Cash Preferred card, they have a little quick overview of the features of the card itself, and then of course you can always add authorized users on the website or via the app. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at the card itself. And you can see here, there's the design of the card. Confirmation, there's many ways to confirm your card via the app, website, and you can even text it to a number. But there's the card itself, and at first glance I actually thought it was a metal card just because of how thick it is and very sturdy feeling of it is, but it's actually just a little thicker plastic card, which is kind of okay. Anyways, I wasn't really expecting a metal card. You can see it has a really nice embellished design. It reminds me of the Cash Magnet card, also by American Express. So I was a little bit skeptical on why they would choose to pick such a familiar design, and it detours so drastically from the original design of the Blue Cash Preferred card. But taking it at first glance in person, it's actually not too bad. So right now they have, I was covering up the pin number and also my name. You can see it's a little glossy, and it's mainly a matte finish card with a little bit of embossing in shiny silver color. And the number of course is on the back, which I'm not going to show you. However, what I can show you is a snippet of the contactless payment symbol you can see there in the corner, indicating that you can use that tap to go payment that I've been mentioning earlier. And now for a quick comparison in the design of the previous version, which is right here. You see the preferred is located right there. Of course, preferred has been relocated to here. Cash right there. So previously this was kind of like a translucent card design, which is actually quite pretty, with this blue kind of a metal spiral in the middle. And it was too similar, I think, in my opinion, to the no annual fee Blue Cash Everyday card. And now that they added more features, it was like a nice excuse for them to redesign the card to look like this. And they've moved the protruding embossed pin numbers onto the back of the card for the new version as well. So there you have it. That's just been a quick unboxing of the new Blue Cash preferred card design. I will be again updating my review because I unfortunately made my review just about a week too soon when they actually announced the new features of the updated version back in May 2019. So in the coming weeks I do plan to make an updated review video to see if it's still worth that $95 annual fee, and I think it is because they just basically added more benefits to the same amount of annual fee. So anyways, make sure you subscribe to see that video when it comes out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Thanks for watching.